Hi, my name is Mamta and I have just completed my course from Justwin IT solution. So the thing I like here is environment, and our teacher is Sukhdev Talla, which is very polite person, and he taught us everything in a polite way, and he has so much experience also. So I can say now I have learned a lot from here. So I am, as a tester, I can say I have so many things to done in my job. I have done UFT, SOAP, and Ready API, Jira. Justwin IT solution is a very good platform for the people who want to study, who want to learn something, and to get hired in job positions. So for them, this is very good platform.
Thank you.
Thank you.